The H1B modernization final rule is out. Does this mean you could be eligible for the H1B even if your degree and job duties aren't really directly related? Well, are H1B extensions even getting stricter? Does it even make it easier for F1 students to transition to the H1B? Let's dive into the H1B modernization rule in this video. Be sure to stick around till the end to learn more about the recent changes to the H1B visa program. Hi, this is Simon Shetty, your host and the founder of Smart Green Card program. We are not really attorneys here and we do not provide any legal representation. For personalized advice regarding your specific situation and legal matters, you should always consult a licensed US immigration attorney. Now that said, let's get into the topic. Have you heard about the H1B modernization program? Are you wondering what it means and how it really affects you? Let's break it down. In the last H1B season, even if multiple registrations were submitted for a single person, only one had the chance to enter the lottery. This rule helped reduce duplicates and made the process a bit more genuine. This is a major issue that was haunting the H1B system and undermining its credibility, which is duplicate applications. And it's actually part of the entire H1B modernization program proposed in October 2023. Now, let's talk a little bit about the provisions of this H1B modernization program that went into effect in January 2025. Here's what's changing. Number one, prior deference policy. USCIS now follows a prior deference policy, meaning they will trust previous decisions if the same employer and worker are involved and nothing major has really changed. This makes the H1B extension process smoother and harder to challenge. Number two, real job offers. The new rule focuses on ensuring that there is a real job offer which is genuine underlying every application. Plus, it also removes the need for an itinerary that outlined daily tasks for the entire H1B period, providing a little more flexibility in the game. Number three, cap-exempt organizations. Non-profit and government research organizations now have an easier time qualifying for the H1B visas without being subject to the annual cap. They just need to prove that research is an important activity, not necessarily the main focus. Number five, F1 cap gap protections. F1 students now enjoy longer cap gap protections. The rule extends cap gap protections for F1 students transitioning into H1B, allowing status and work authorization to continue until as late as April 1st. Number six, entrepreneurship opportunities. Entrepreneurs who own a significant interest in their company can now qualify for the H1B visa if they meet specific conditions, making it easier for business owners to get through this process. One of the most talked about changes is the specialty occupation requirement. Previously, you needed a degree directly related to the job. Now, the rule clarifies that the degree must have a logical connection to the job responsibilities. However, attorneys say that we need to see how these rules are applied and interpreted in real life before even deciding if the concerns are fully addressed or not. Additionally, for off-site placements, the requirements of the third party will now be considered when determining if the H1B position qualifies, not just the employer's requirements. To quickly sum these things up, the H1B modernization program offers streamlined H1B extensions with prior deference policy, flexibility in job duties without needing detailed itineraries about the job, easier pathways for cap-exempt organizations and F1 students, support for entrepreneurs looking to build their businesses in the US. Overall, this H1B modernization program offers several benefits for immigrants, including F1 students, H1B holders as well, and H1B seekers too. So what can you really expect after the H1B modernization rule is implemented? Well, prepare for potential delays in the H1B processing as USCIS adjusts to the new standards. The rule introduces a mandatory new Form I-129. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications for daily updates on EB1A Green Card insights and a lot more immigration related stuff from the Smart Green Card channel. Stay tuned for more US immigration insights. Also, how do you see the changes impacting your H1B journey? Will you be impacted, or will anyone that you know be benefited from this rule? Share your thoughts in the comments below.